friends, in this video we are going to learn like how to create a business ad account, right? As you can see, I am on my Facebook page. I have switched from my Facebook account to Facebook page. I hope you know how to switch from Facebook account to Facebook page. If you don't know, let me again tell you that you can click on this right side top icon and then you can simply click on the Facebook account and you will automatically get switched into your Facebook account. And if you click on the page name, you will automatically get switched to the Facebook page, right? I'm on my Facebook page home page, right? Now I will click on my profile icon. Okay, so right now I'm on my Facebook page profile. Right now you need to scroll in the left side and you need to simply click on the Meta Business Suite. It is the Meta Business Suite of my Facebook page and Instagram account. From here we will create a business ad account. As you can see a settings option over here, you can simply click on it. Okay, it is the Meta Business Suite settings page, right? Now we need to click on the ad account section. Okay, we have clicked on it. As you can see, there is a business ad account already created by me in this business portfolio, but still I will tell you how to create a business ad account, right? You can simply click on add over here. When you click on add, create a new ad account. Here you can enter the ad account name. So I want Mahi Civils 2. Okay, here you can select your time zone, like from which time zone you belong. You can simply select over here and you can enter the currency in which you want to make payments into the ad account. Okay, now I will click on simply next and it will ask me whether I am creating this ad account for my own business or for my client business, right? So I am creating this ad account for my own business, and when I will click on next, the ad account will automatically get created. And now I will tell you how to switch into the Facebook business ad account to create ad campaigns, right? Now again I am on my Facebook home page. As you can see, here is the ads manager option in the left side. Okay, I have clicked on it. By default, automatically when we open the ads manager, it opens the personal ad account. Here you can see that a number is getting displayed. This is my personal ad account number. When I will click on this, you can see that the ad account name is not over here. It is my personal ad account, right? In my own account. When you want to switch to business ad account, as I have created Mahi Civils, I will simply search for it because there are too many ad accounts access in my account. So I have searched for it and now I will simply click on this ad account. Okay, so here we have switched our business ad account from personal ad account in the ads manager. Now you can simply see that Mahi Civil's name is getting displayed over here. Whenever we need to create ad campaign in Meta Ads Manager, we will simply click on create, right? If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, you can check out the link given in video description below and you can visit the website and you can explore our course and purchase from there also. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.